Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Maps. Google. Calm and signing into Google so your places and contributions sync. Once done, type an address or place in the search box and press enter. You'll see map pins and blue highlighted streets. Click the Pegman icon in the lower right and drag him onto any blue line to drop into Street View. Make sure to release only on blue. Non-highlighted roads have no imagery. This gets you in position quickly to explore at street level. Once in Street View, rotate by clicking and dragging or use arrow keys for subtle turns. This helps you orient to landmarks. Scroll your mouse or use the zoom controls to tighten on details like signs and storefronts. To move along the street, click the white arrows on the road or double-click a point ahead. This walks you smoothly forward. Make sure to open the left info pane for user photos, address details, and the timeline if multiple imagery dates are available. To finish, use the date selector, if present, to view older imagery or toggle between photos and Street View. You can drop a blue pin to get directions from this exact viewpoint and copy the link to share the scene. If navigation feels jumpy, reduce zoom or use keyboard arrows for steadier movement. One key troubleshooting tip: if Street View won't load, clear your browser cache. Try another browser or open an incognito window to rule out
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.